Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Cravery in the Kitchen. Today I'm diving into the wonderful world of pistachios. Ever wondered where these little green gems come from? Let's get cracking. Pistachios have been around for thousands of years. Originating from the Middle East, they were once a luxury food for royalty. Today, they're loved worldwide for their unique flavor and amazing health benefits. First off, let's talk about those health perks. Did you know pistachios are packed with nutrients? They're loaded with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Plus, they're a great source of antioxidants which help fight off free radicals and keep your body healthy. And here's a fun fact. Pistachios are one of the lowest calorie nuts, so you can snack on them guilt-free. Now, how can you use pistachios in your daily life? You can munch on them raw or roasted for a quick snack. But why stop there? Add them to your salads for a crunchy twist. Or sprinkle them over your yogurt or oatmeal for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. And for those who love to experiment in the kitchen, I've got some tasty dish ideas for you. How about a creamy pistachio pesto? Just blend pistachios with basil, garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. It's a delicious twist on the classic recipe. Or try baking pistachio-crusted chicken. Simply coat your chicken breasts in a mixture of crushed pistachios and breadcrumbs, then bake until golden and crispy. Trust me, it's a game changer. Pistachios aren't just for eating though, they've got some great uses and remedies too. Pistachio oil, for example, is fantastic for your skin. It's rich in vitamin E, which helps keep your skin smooth and hydrated. And if you're feeling stressed, chewing on a handful of pistachios can actually help lower your blood pressure. It's a tasty way to stay calm and relaxed. So there you have it, everything you need to know about pistachios. If you enjoyed learning about these mighty nuts, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious and healthy content from Cravery in the Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep cooking.